Hello all, welcome to my channel Codify with Sonal. Today we will be covering the abstract class and interface in Java. So if you want to check out the basics of Java, where we have done what is Java and how you have data types, control statements, constructors, inheritance concept, you can check out the playlist pinged in the I button above. There are links for separate tutorials in the description box also. So let's start. So first, let's see what is abstraction before we see abstract class. So abstraction is this basically hiding the internal details and showing only the essentials. Okay, like you're hiding the creation, but you're giving them the option to check the implementation out. Ways in Java for abstraction: one is abstract class, where you can achieve 0 to 100% abstraction, and interface, where you can achieve 100% abstraction. So now let's see what is abstract class. It must be declared with an abstract keyword, okay, just to make Java understand that this is an abstract class. You can also have abstract and non-abstract methods, okay. There you cannot instantiate an abstract class. Very important point from even the interview purpose, that you cannot instantiate abstract class. You can have constructors and static methods also. You can have final methods. If you declare the method as final, then the class which is extending this abstract class will not be able to change the definition of the method. We'll see a live demo on all of these points what we discussed. Before that, let us see what is interface. So coming to interface, interface is like a blueprint of the class. It can have only abstract methods and no method body. Okay, abstraction is 100% achieved, and even you can achieve multiple inheritance with interface. How we can achieve that, I have created a tutorial on how you can achieve multiple inheritance using interfaces. So now after the implementation of Java 8, we can have non-abstract methods also. Okay, default method, static method. Okay, so default methods are the one which you can have body, and it has some default task you which you want the interface method to do. We'll be covering what is default and static in another tutorial as of now. So like abstract class, even interface cannot be instantiated. It can have constructors and static methods also, and it can have final methods which will force the subclass to not change the body of the method. Okay, now let's see some differences between abstract class and interface. So first is like as we discussed, interface can support multiple inheritance, but abstract class cannot support multiple inheritance. Abstract class begins with an abstract keyword, whereas interface begins with an interface keyword. Abstract class uses extends, whereas interface uses implements. Abstract class cannot provide implementation of abstract class. You cannot provide an implementation of abstract class, whereas you can provide implementation of interfaces. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see the live demo. So here we are in our IDE. I've already created a project about abstract interface demo. So let's go ahead and create a class. So we'll be doing one thing, that let's go ahead and say shape. Okay, so that you can have abstract method, and then you can have lot of shapes inside it as a separate class which can extend the abstract class. Okay, I'll show you how. So here we create a class called shape. Okay, but we have to make sure that that's an abstract class. Okay, and once we have an abstract class, let's have an abstract method called as abstract void draw. Okay, now I'll have one more class called as circle, which will extend shape. Okay, now it will say that please add the unimplemented methods. Now I'll add this unimplemented method, having a method draw which will say sysout draw a circle. Okay, draws a circle. Okay, clear? Now here let's have a main method. and I will create an object of the abstract class. Okay. But I cannot give it a initialization, so I will initialize the class of circle, and I say shape dot draw. Okay, now let's run this and see. Okay, draws a circle. But now if I try to give it like this, it will not work because abstract class you cannot instantiate it. Okay, now suppose I have one more class called rectangle, which will again extend shape. Okay, again it will ask me to add the unimplemented method. Okay, so now this time we will do sysout draws a rectangle. Okay, and similarly we can have a main method and we'll create an object view rectangle, correct? And I say shape dot draw. Okay, so in this class circle, what we did is we created a object of class shape, which is our abstract class, but we instantiated a object of circle class. Similar thing we have done in the rectangle class. Okay, let's run this and see. Okay, draws a rectangle. I hope abstract class is clear. Now let's go ahead and see about interface. So now here we are in our circle class which we created for abstract class. So now we will say implements drawable interface. Okay, earlier we were extending the abstract class, now we are implementing the interface. Okay, so now similar program we'll have. Let's have this as public, and then here we will change it to drawable interface d equal to new dot circle, and we say d dot draw. Okay, so now let's run this one and see. Okay, clear? Now similar thing you can do with rectangle. Okay, that's easy now. So hopefully the demo was understood. Hopefully the session was useful, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. If you are interested in the AWS tutorials, I'm doing a tutorial on Cloud Practitioner certification as well as the AWS Solution Architect Associate Practice Series. Please check that out. So till then, stay happy. Let's codify with Sonal in the next tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification of the updated video. Thank you.